Welcome back to the terrace garden. Today is July 10th and I'm finally getting some work done out here in the terrace garden. It is for sure filling in, and I wanted to offer a little bit of encouragement to the fig growers especially. I have 3 third-year trees on that side of the garden, and then over here in ground 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. All of them woke up pretty early, but I would say by April they were on the move, with one exception, and that's Oro Bianco. And this is where I want to encourage everybody. This thing passed the scratch test for the entire winter, all of spring, and it just stared at me until about 2 weeks ago. It came out after some of the smoke from the wildfires in Canada. After that had passed a bit, there it was. 2 leaves sticking out of the ground about 2 inches tall. Yeah, I was shocked. I'm still kind of shocked. I don't know if it's because this giant horseradish over here is blocking the sun or what. I did water the tree. I just put down some Osmocote, which I've never used, giving that a try for the first time. Not sure exactly if it's the variety. I've been told it's a late variety. But just as a quick side note, this is another Oro Bianco that I propagated over the winter as a backup. So had that other copy not woken up in ground, I would have at least had one more. So now I have 2. I think I'm going to have to leave it in a pot if I ever hope to get figs from it, at least that are edible. This one did have 1, and it dropped during a heavy rain. And while I'm at it, this is what Smith looks like. Absolutely loaded. I don't think it likes a lot of rain. It dropped a few leaves, but cranking along here. And just as a comparison, the Oro Bianco that you saw in ground is the same age and relative placement as this Sister Madeline's Green Greek, and that is Adriatic JH in the center, and the next one down, that's Teramo. So let's see, probably 3.5 feet tall, somewhere in that range. My second year trees are not quite as developed as the third. That LSU tiger is a beast. Long to Oot is probably my favorite in terms of how it grows. It tends to be a little more orderly, and that one definitely has fruit starting to set on it with all the lanternflies. Don't get me started on that. And then Dark Sicilian Unknown down here at the end. You never know what's going to happen. I don't know if I'll end up moving this or not, if it'll stay there. I think maybe that might be part of the issue, is that it is so young. But then again, so are all of these varieties, so who knows? Maybe I'll find out more. If I do, I'll let you know in the comments below. We're in a follow-up video. There was one other thing I wanted to show. Yes, while I'm at it, I have not yet cut the dead wood of my trees off. So if you're a new fig grower and you've never seen what dead growth looks like, old growth that didn't come back, it has this copperish reddish color. On my iPhone it's slightly more blue than in real life. It's a little more orange. There we go. That's about right in terms of color. But this is definitely dead. I haven't cut it back yet. With all the wildfire smoke we had, and then with just kind of giving everything a chance to wake up on its own time schedule. Here's looking up the hill. All the way wide. Have patience. Don't give up. Oh my. Don't let the lanternflies get you down. I'm going to go grab the neem oil as soon as I'm done recording. There. Everywhere. Here you can see the life cycle, 2 stages of nymphs. I started seeing these guys in April as well, which is early. They were much smaller, more like the size of a pencil tip. Now they're more, their bodies about the size of a pencil eraser. They start out black and then turn red, and then they'll grow wings on top of that. Really uncool. We can't even use our deck out back because of our neighbor's tree of hell, as I call it, tree of heaven. It just rains what is known as their honeydew, and I'm seeing beekeepers report that bees are collecting it and bringing it into their hives. So that's a whole new thing. Good times. Here's a close-up. All right, that's all for now. Hope your growing season is going well, and as always, thanks for watching.